Welcome to the personal property tour for Donaldsons Court in Lower Largo. This is a beautiful 5-bedroom detached family home. You've got off-street parking, you've got garage as you can see, you've got wraparound garden, it's in a quiet cul-de-sac, you've got a fantastic dining kitchen, you've got 2 reception rooms, so you've got a really spacious lounge, you've got a lovely conservatory, you've got utility space as well. It is beautiful inside and it's in a fantastic location. I cannot wait to take you on the tour. Literally in this quiet cul-de-sac. So you come into Donaldsons Court here and then you are the property here. So you come in Donaldsons Court, your private driveway is down here. So it's in a great location. It's such a beautiful house, isn't it? Really peaceful around here as well. There's no one coming in here unless you live here. So you've got your private driveway here to the left. You've got your front garden area here to the right. But it's such a lovely family home. Isn't that beautiful? Such a great space. Really deceptive, the amount of room that you have here. You also have a timber gate to the side, so it gives you the access as well to the side of the property. You've got garden area to the front as well. You've got these beautiful views across Largo Law. That's how close you are to it. It's just stunning. And as I say, you're in this quiet driveway area in cul-de-sac, so you've got this beautiful quiet cul-de-sac that you just come in here and come down. So no one else is coming in here. Really lovely homes in this area. I'm going to take you on the tour. I'm quite excited for this one. It's in such a great location. So you can see the high-end finish just as we even come in the entranceway. So you come into the vestibule, really nice and spacious. You can see the finish immediately. I love these doors as you come in, so it really opens up and makes the house bright in the lower level. This is a great space. You can get nice furnishings here, umbrella stand, coke stands. If you've been to the beach, down to the harbour, easy to just kind of decant here so the mess isn't coming into the house. So we're going to start in the lower hallway. So as we come in, immediately you'll see the high-end finish. We've got this beautiful timber flooring. Love the glass balustrade as well. Really is finished nicely. We're going to start upstairs. Again, as we come upstairs, you see that beautiful balustrade. It just opens up the lower level of the house. Nice and bright. You've got this window here too, which is great. It's a really long hallway, so it's L-shaped. So it kind of comes down here and turns. We're going to start at bedroom number 1. So lovely sized double room. As you can see, that's a nice big double bed in here. You've got desk space as well. You've also got ample space for freestanding wardrobes, but you also have the bonus of inbuilt cupboard. So plenty of storage in there, and it faces the front. Lovely and peaceful. So that's bedroom number 1. Great size double. Then we'll head back out into the hallway. And as you can see, nice long hallway in this end, straight into bedroom number 2. Fantastic size double as well. Really finished nicely. So you've got this big double bed. Got a nice dressing area, storage, you've got a workshop desk area as well, so fantastic for your kids if they're at high school doing their exams. And again, this one overlooks the front garden, so nice and peaceful. It's a great sized room. So nice sized double room, lots of space in here. Then we'll head back out into the hallway. So again, you can see the hallway from this side, so that lovely natural light coming in. Then you've got the L shape here too. So you've got a really nice sized storage cupboard here. Your attic hatches here as well, so ample space for storage up there. Then we're going to bedroom number 3. Again, another great sized double. So immediately come in, you can see the double wardrobe, good sized double bed in here. You've got your storage, you've also got your vanity area as well. And this one overlooks the countryside. Isn't that lovely? It's a great sized space. Really spacious home actually for a family. And that's bedroom number 3. So we'll head back out into the hallway, and then off of the hallway we're going to go straight across into bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 currently utilised as a kind of gym workout area, but again it's a good sized double. You can see just with the cabinetry that you could easily get a double bed in there. Nice big window. Got all the storage area here as well, so lots of space. The rooms are all nice and square here too, so it really does give you flexibility for what you might want to use them for. Again, you've got this lovely window overlooking the countryside and the garden, so it's fantastic to have that additional workout flexible space, isn't it? So again, you can see the second part of the hallway here. Then we're going to go ahead into the shower room. So really nice size family shower room. It's immaculate inside. Isn't that lovely? From the tiles on the floor to tiling on the wall, really nicely finished. So you've got this huge walk-in shower. You've got your thermostatic controls as well. You've got your WC, of course. Your vanity sink here. Nice area. Lovely mirror with your light in here. And you've also got your kind of inlet there as well, which I think is really lovely. So it's a nice sized family room. Then we're going to head downstairs. So as we head downstairs, again, you've got a feel for just how bright the hallway is as we go down. So as we said earlier on, the balustrade really opening that up and making it nice. You've got that beautiful wooden flooring as well. Timber flooring's lovely in here. Nice big open area, lovely and bright. Got understair cupboard, so lots of storage in there. You then have the bonus of a WC, which I think is fantastic to have that on this level as well. So great for the families if they're, say, coming in from the beach or the garden. You've had a nice walk on the Fife Coastal Path. You're not going to have to rush upstairs, which is great. Then you have this beautiful lounge sitting room. It's a great sized room. Again, lovely and square, really nice big window. This is big leather furnishing and it actually holds it really well. And you can see just by the size of the window that it's a really spacious room. And again, it overlooks the front garden and driveway, so really peaceful, nothing disturbing you there. Isn't that just a wonderful space? It's immaculately finished. And again, just to give you a good look at the outlook, it's great, isn't it? Then from here, look, even the door, everything about it is really high end. So we come into here and then we're going to go into bedroom number 5. So this is fantastic about the house. It offers that one level living, and this is a really great sized room. So you've got this really nice large double room, king size bed, lots of space. If I just take you and flip the camera this way, so you've got a nice king size bed, you've got ample space for your wardrobes, you've got a lovely chest of drawers there, nice seating arrangement. You've got the double doors that go out to the garden. A lot of people with this property as well, for future proofing, maybe use this currently as a dining room if you wish, but to have that facility to create a bedroom down here is just fantastic. And I think it works really nice as a bedroom, leads out into the garden as well. So nice and peaceful. It's a great sized room, but it's this one level living opportunity with having the washroom downstairs as well. Then from here, we're going to head into the kitchen. The kitchen is immaculate. I love the kind of cream colour, it's really nice. And the worktop's fantastic. And you've got the subway tiles. So you've got your integrated appliances, you've got your gas hob, you've got your extractor above, you've got your oven and grill, lots of room for white goods as well. So we have a dishwasher in here, overlooks the garden, you've got this nice big double window, so it's lovely and bright, the house. The best thing about it, you've got the space as well for this big American fridge freezer. It's a nice sized family home, you're going to need one of those. But also it leads straight into dining space. So at the moment, the family here have a table of 4. You could easily get a table of 6 in there. So it's a great space. Just adds additional level of comfort to the house and the layout. And then straight ahead, another bonus, you've got a utility room. So nice utility space in here as well. So again, you've not got the noise of the washing machine, etc. in the kitchen. The door here leads to the side of the property, nice and bright with the window. You've got your boiler in here as well, so you've got your washer, your dryer, microwave, storage. It's great for if you've got the dog as well, so keeping all the dog's supplies in here, so it's fantastic space. On top of that, off the dining room again, you've got this conservatory, so it's beautiful. So it's a lovely additional reception room. Great for the family, having a nice seat there, and you can totally see why the seats are pointing in this direction, because that is your view. So your morning cuppa, evening entertaining, it's a great space. And the fact that it just leads into the dining area as well of the kitchen, such a great social space, isn't it? So you're doing all your cooking, entertaining, your friends are all, and family are all in this area. So it's fantastic. And then we're going to head out into the garden. So we head out into the garden. It's a wraparound garden, so we're going to start at the side. So again, you can see from the side here, this was the timber gate to the front. So you've got that access for your bin area, etc. Lawnmowers, all the things that you need to kind of run your home. This is the door that we saw from the utility space, but then you've also got this door here as well that takes you to the garage. So it's a fantastic garage space as well as accessing it from the front. You can access it from the garden. Fully enclosed, so the sun's going to come around here. It's just starting to rise at the moment, so you can have lovely sunshine in your garden. Lots of nature, all the birds are enjoying those trees. So it's fully enclosed, which is fantastic, isn't it? So it makes it a really nice secure area for your children and for your pets. So it's a nice sized garden. You've got the seating area over here as well. This is where you come out from the bedroom. You've also got this lovely social space here as well. So you've got Really nice timber shed, lots of opportunity there to make that a summer house. Barbecue area, nice decked area, but you've got all the space down the side as well. You could potentially open up here to another gate to take you out to the front at that side, but as you can see, it is wraparound. Lots of opportunity to kind of mix and match what you might want to do with this space. Currently they're using it as a storage and kind of social space for the garden, which is great, but it's a really nice area, and again, you've got that beautiful view. So Largo Law, so it gives you a feeling for where the property is. So it's a great location, lovely big family home, and I think you'll agree, immaculate inside. You've got this great garden space as well, with the conservatory at the side and then the garden wrapping round. It's great. So I'm just going to recap at the front. I'll see you there. Hi, so to recap, 4 Donaldsons Court in Lower Largo. This is a beautiful 5-bedroom, 2 reception. You have a garage, it's in a quiet cul-de-sac. You've got wraparound garden, immaculate inside as you've seen. It's a beautiful family home. It's in a great location. You've got this quiet cul-de-sac, and literally if you go this way, you're literally 2 minutes, you're at London Links. So you've got everything that London Links has to offer. You've got the golf courses, of course. You've got Jane's at 19. You've got London Coffee Company. You've got the Premier Store, etc. Likewise, if you go this way, you're about a 3 or 4 minute drive. You're along to the East Nook. You're into Dumbarton Links Golf Club. Not far from Ely, and you've got everything that the East Nook has to offer. Straight ahead, down the hill, you're at Lower Largo. So you're at the Harbour. You're at the beach, you're at the Fife Coastal Path. So down there you've got the Cruiser, which offers lovely dining experience. You've also got the Railway Tavern, and you've got a store down there as well, and Louvian's ice cream, which is always a great thing in the summer, isn't it? So you're in a great location. You're about a 6-7 minute drive. You're at Leven, so you have everything that Leven has to offer. So you've got the high street, you've got the swimming pool, and you've got the rail link that's coming soon as well. So this really is a home that offers everything. It offers a fantastic lifestyle. You've got countryside walks everywhere around here. You've seen Largo Law, it's literally on your doorstep. If you fancy a climb, it's a tricky one, but it's worthwhile doing it. This is a beautiful family home. This one is on market with ourselves. It offers over £350,000. If this one's of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. And this is a beautiful, beautiful family home. Take care. Bye bye.